As expected, Samsung has today launched the latest generation of its folding smartphones. The Fold4 and Flip4 handset are joined on the Unpacked event stage by 5th-gen smartwatches, which debuts a new Pro model, and a new pair of true wireless earphones. Samsung Galaxy foldables are built on the foundation of our openness philosophy, enabling new possibilities with complete customization both inside and out, said the company's Dr. T.M. Rowe. Created in collaboration with our world-class partners, the next foldable devices offer unparalleled mobile experiences that meet the needs of our most dynamic users. The Galaxy Z Fold4 is said to be Samsung's most powerful smartphone yet and is the first device to ship with Android 12 leaders, a special version of the mobile operating system created for large screen experiences, including foldables. Designed to fold to smartphone-like dimensions of 67.1 by 155.1 by 15.8 mm, 2.6 by 6.1 by 0.62 in, at the hinge or 14.2 mm, 0.55 in, at the edge to fit in the pocket before unfolding to tablet size when more display space is needed. The handset features a 6.2-inch AMOLED cover screen at 2316 by 904 resolution and an adaptive refresh rate that runs from 48 Hz to 120 Hz, which is also home to a 10-megapixel selfie cam. The big screen inside folds out to 7.6 diagonal inches and offers 2176 by 1812 pixels at 21.6:18 aspect. This main display also boasts an adaptive refresh rate but this time runs from 1 Hz to 120 Hz. Though you may not notice it, there's a 4MP selfie cam here too, which is hidden under the display thanks to an all-new scatter-type subpixel arrangement. The Fold4 is built around Qualcomm's latest mobile platform, the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, with support from 12GB of RAM and up to 1TB of storage, and is reported to boast much improved multitasking chops. Users can now look forward to a taskbar layout that offers a PC-like UI, new swipe gestures, and instant switching from full-screen apps to pop-up windows or split-screen views. Google Apps now support drag-and-drop functionality so users can easily copy and paste links, text and photos between apps, and Meet gives folks the power to share experiences, such as having a video watch party with friends or even playing games with others over a video chat. The tablet-like main display can serve up side-by-side Microsoft Office documents, and there's support for S Pen on-screen doodling and note-taking as well. When using non-optimized apps in Flex, part-folded, mode, videos can be paused and photos zoomed in courtesy of the new touchpad feature. The smartphone/tablet comes with a triple camera array made up of a 50MP wide-angle main camera with dual-pixel autofocus and optical image stabilization, a 12MP ultra-wide and a 10MP telephoto, the latter with snappy phase detection AF. Samsung has included a 23% brighter sensor and enhanced image processing, too. In addition to 5G mobile connectivity, users can tap into Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2, and the phone's 4400 mAh battery supports fast charging, wireless charging and wireless energy transfer to compatible devices. A water resistance rating of IPX8, tough aluminum frames, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus for the cover screen and rear plus the main display's optimized layer structure all combine to help make the Fold4 something of a tough cookie. The Galaxy Z Fold4 is up for pre-order now for a starting price of $1,799.99. For clamshell lovers, Samsung has updated its Flip smartphone to the 4th generation. New features include upgraded camera tech, a bigger battery and even more customization options. This model is reported to come with a slimmer hinge than before, along with straightened edges and features a 6.7-inch Full HD+, 2640 by 1080, AMOLED main display with an adaptive refresh rate that runs from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, plus there's a 10MP selfie cam with an 80-degree field of view. The cover gets a 1.9-inch Super AMOLED screen at 260 by 512 pixels, and allows users to make calls, reply to texts, unlock the car, in certain markets, and control the SmartThings Scene widget without opening up the phone. New clock designs and backgrounds are available for this display, and users can personalize the cover and main displays with custom fonts, icons and designs. The Flip4 handset runs Android 12 with a One UI 4.1.1 skin, and is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset for processing speeds up to 3.2 GHz. It can be optioned with 8GB of RAM and up to 512GB of storage. There's a dual-camera rear array comprising a 12MP f1.8 wide and a 12MP f2.2 ultra-wide, and Samsung has partnered with Meta to optimize a hands-free video/selfie photo mode called Flex Cam, so that content is displayed at its best on platforms like Instagram and Facebook. The Galaxy Z Flip4 is also up for pre-order now, starting at $999.99.